Hello there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create captions like the way you're seeing above with just your smartphone. And I'm going to show you how to do this totally for free. Let's go. The app we are going to be using is called CapCut. So if you don't have CapCut, all you need to do is go to your app store and download it. So here I will just search for CapCut. So once you open CapCut, it's going to bring you to this interface and you can select new project. And you can see if you have already started working on a project before, you're going to see it here. But this time around, I'm just going to click on new project. So just click on new project. Once you click on new project, you're going to select the video that you want to use. So say, for example, I want to use this video. Let me just choose one of these videos. So it's going to load, okay? So you just allow it to finish loading. So once it finished loading, then you can press play. All right, I hope now you can create your own cap. Right, so you see, that is the first thing. So when I click on play, there was no caption at all. I hope now you can create your own captions. If you have any... So what you're going to do is, it's very simple. Just go to text. Once you get to text, you click on auto captions, right? Auto caption. Now, when you click on it, it's going to bring you different options. Leave it as on video, or you can leave it as all. But video is the one because it's video you want to generate the captions from. So what you want to do is you scroll down to this side. Now, anyone that you see pro, right, you have to pay for it. But all these ones that you are seeing that don't have pro, they are free. So this is the one I love to use. I click on generate, and then it generates the captions for me. Now, depending on how long your video is, right, that's how long it might take to generate the captions. So once you've generated the captions, right, you can move it to wherever you want it to be. So if you click on this, for example, just click on one of the captions, right? If you move it to this place, so all the other ones will be moved to that particular location. So if I click on it again, let's play it. Captions. If you have any question regarding this video, drop it in the comment section. Right, so you see, so once you finish generating it, sometimes there might be mistakes in the caption. So what you need to do is, once you click on that particular place, drop it in the comment section. So you can click on edit, right? So you click on edit, and then, for example, instead of comments, you can decide to say comments section. I'm just using that as example, right? So you can edit them like that. You can also put capital letters. Maybe you want to make each one capital letter. You want to put full stop, you can edit all of them like that and just keep listening to them. You can scroll. You don't even necessarily need to listen to them before you can edit them. So just keep scrolling, and anywhere you see there's a mistake, right, you then edit the caption at that end. All right, I hope now you can create your own captions. If you have any question regarding this video, drop it in the comment section and I'll be happy to support you further. And please like this video and follow me for more.